Hey everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to pour on this vase today. I had to tape together 2 paint bottles because I didn't have anything skinny enough and long enough to support this, because I need to have it lifted off the surface to let the paint run off. So this is what I got. So I have all my colors in a split cup already. I have deep blue, aqua green, magenta, titanium white, purple, and a peach that I made from metallic gold and red together, and we'll put that all in the description as well. So I'm just going to pour on top of this vase and turn it slightly as I go. Alright, now I'm just going to leave that drip for 10-15 minutes until it's done like really running off, and then I'll do something with this art panel I have underneath there. So this has dripped. So this is finished running. It's dripping a little bit, but that's going to happen. I'm going to move this to a safe place where it can sit for a couple weeks. Now I'm just going to tilt this one around. Okay. All right. And there we have like a matching painting to go with it. All right, it's all dry. I'll show you. I didn't put the resin on it yet. That's going to be in a second. I just want to tell you right quick, I'm super excited about a collaboration I'm going to be doing with 4 other artists. That's coming out on the 20th of June at 12 Eastern Standard Time. So in Nova Scotia, that's 1 p.m. So the 4 artists, we have Brian from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, Lori from Pizazz Studios, Dave from Dave's Acrylic Pouring Art, and Yan from Yan C Art. And I will link all their YouTube videos, like the links to the YouTube videos in my description, so you can go check those out and subscribe if you want. So yeah, so we're gonna release the videos at 12 Eastern Standard Time. So the rules are, I guess, we all have, there's certain colors we're using, and we're all doing different techniques. So hopefully they will be awesome. So go check those guys out, and yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna put the resin on this. I'm gonna show it quick. I did a full tutorial on that. I'll link that in the description and put it up on the corner there if you wanna go in detail, but I'll show you quick and then we'll see the end result. See you soon. It is all finished, dry resin. Look at that. I'm gonna get this out in the sun so you can really see it shine. And here is the panel. I don't have anything on this. This is just dry. It turned out really nice. Make sure you check out, there's 4 other artists and they're in the description, and don't forget the collaboration on the 20th. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. See you soon.